Hello, TikTok, my old friend. It's Sandwich Dad here, and today we'll be making an Italian sandwich. There it is, from the country of Italy, which I believe is in New Jersey somewhere. Anyway, away we go. Today we will use what the Loblaws Corporation deems to be an Italian bun. We'll use some salami, some ham, some mortadella, and of course, the gabagool. We'll also use some romaine lettuce, a tomato, a red onion, a red bell pepper, the remains of a block of mozzarella cheese, some no-name extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar, and some dried oregano. Still following me, boy? Let's begin. The buns are relatively small. Let's do something slightly controversial. Subway sandwiches former U-cut or wedge cut. For those of you too young to remember, up until the year 2000, Subway always cut their sandwiches just like this. Let's see if it's still as good. And if you know of any other Italian eateries that still do their subs like this, let me know in the comments. Anyway, first let's prep all our stuff. Our sandwich lad cut up these tomatoes, peppers, onions, and shiz. Meanwhile, I shredded some lettuce, to which I'll add a bit of oil, a bit of vinegar, a bit of oregano, and a bit of pepper. Now we can build. I'm going to start with the shiz, followed by some ham, some salami, some mortadella, and the gabagool. Next, we'll add our well-dressed lettuce, onions, peppers, and tomato. A little salt and pepper, and a bit of mixed oil and vinegar. Just over the top here. A bit on the wedge, too. Now, I know it doesn't look like it should work, however, when put together, she certainly is an absolute thing of beauty. Don't normally do this, but let's get out the parchment paper. Wrap it up and reveal. Oh, that is a nice looking sandwich. Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad. A very good day.